Sandeep Borsai, working as a data analyst intern at Aniron AI company. So today I'm excited to share with you the insights from an in-depth analysis of Amazon sales data. So welcome to the presentation on analyzing the Amazon sales data. In today's online world, it's really important for a big companies like Amazon to understand how people buy the things, as Amazon is a huge online store where people can buy almost anything they want. Now imagine Amazon as a giant treasure filled with valuable information. Every time someone buys something, leaves a review, or clicks on a product, Amazon collects data about it. So our job is to dig out into this treasure of the data and find out all sorts of interesting things. Our project looks closely at all the sales data from Amazon to find out important things that can help Amazon to make better decisions. We will be looking at these things like when people buy the most, what kind of things they buy the most, and who is buying them. Then we will dive deeper into more advanced topics like why certain products sell better than others and makes customers keep coming back for more. By doing this, we hope to show Amazon some useful information that can help them to make their business and their websites better and sell more stuff. By using special tools and techniques, we will turn this sea of data into the useful insights that can help Amazon make better decisions and improve the shopping experiences for everyone. Our presentation shows how looking at the data can help Amazon be even more successful and make shopping on their website even better for everyone. So our agenda is, first we discuss about our problem statement, then we discuss about primary goals, then we move towards dashboards, then we give some insights, and then I will give some recommendation to the Amazon regarding this project. So the problem statement is the sales management has gained importance to meet increasing competition and need for improved methods of distribution to reduce the cost and increase the profits. Sales management today is the most important function and in a commercial and a business enterprise. So here we have to do ETL, that is extract, transform, and load the Amazon data set, and we have to find the sales trends month-wise, year-wise, and yearly month-wise. And we also find the key metrics and factors and we have to show the meaningful relationship between the attributes. Next, we discuss about the primary goals. The primary goal of this project is to extract the insights that drive the business decisions and improve overall performance on the platform and optimize the various aspects of Amazon's operations, including the product offerings, pricing strategies, marketing campaigns, inventory management, and the customer experiences. This project helps to identify key trends, patterns, and correlations within the sales data to understand customer behavior, optimize product offerings, and enhance marketing strategies. By using these data analytics techniques, the project aims to provide valuable insights into areas such as top selling products, peak buying times, customer preferences, effectiveness of promotional campaigns. By thoroughly analyzing sales data, the project aims to identify trends, patterns, and opportunities that can drive revenue growth. Ultimately, the goal is to empower Amazon to make informed decisions and increase the sales, enhance the customer satisfaction, and maintain a competitive advantage in the e-commerce market. So next we discuss about the tools that we use here in this project is Microsoft Excel, MySQL, and Power BI. The approach used for making this project is first we have gone through data wrangling and feature engineering, then we have done some EDM. So let's talk about data wrangling. This is the first step where the inspection of the data is done to make sure the null values and the missing values are detected and data replacement methods are used to replace the missing or null values. Then next we move to the feature engineering. In this process, we have generated some new columns for existing ones. Here I have created the calendar table and then I generate some new columns from them. So here I have added a new column name year that contains the expected year on which the given transaction took place. That helps to determine which year has the most sales and a profit. Next, I have added the column month name that contains the expected months of the year on which the given transaction took place. Here, that helps to determine which month of the year has the most sales and the profit. And next, I have added the column day name that contains the expected days of the week on which the given transaction took place. This helps to answer the question on which week of the day each branch is the busiest. And also using the DAX, I have created some new measures for aggregation. For example, to calculate total sales, total profits, total units sold. Some similarly, previous month sales, previous month profit, previous month units sold. And also using DAX, I have created some new measures like month over month profit growth percent, month over month sales growth percent, and month over month unit sales growth percent. Next move to the exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis is done to answer the listed questions and aims of this project. So this is our ER diagram. Before discussing about the ER diagram, we first discuss about it overview of the data set. The dataset consists of the three primary tables: order table, returns table, and people table. And there is one more table, which is calendar table, which was created for some tax calculation. This table encapsulates a treasure trove of information spanning over 51,000 rows, enabling us to gain a valuable insights into consumer behavior, market trends, and profitability. Talking about the categories and the regions in the given dataset, before diving into the analysis, let's familiarize ourselves with the key dimensions of our dataset. The sales data primarily revolves around the three main product categories: furniture, office supplies, and technology. These categories represent a diverse array of products available on the Amazon's platform, catering to various consumer needs and preferences. Additionally, the dataset captures sales transactions across five distinct regions: Europe, Asia Pacific, United States and Canada, Africa, and Latin America. These geographical regions serve as a critical market segments, each presenting unique opportunities and challenges in the realm of e-commerce. So now we discuss about the AR diagram. Here we see that there are four tables in the AR diagram. The first table is order table, second table is people's table, third is returns table, and the fourth one is calendar table. So let's talk about the orders table. The order table contains information about the orders placed by the customer. Each record in this table represents a single order. The order table is connected to the calendar table with many-to-one relationship. This means that multiple orders can be associated with a single date from the calendar table. For example, an order placed on a specific date would have a reference to the date in the calendar table. Next, we're talking about returns table. Return table likely contains information about the return items or the orders. Each order in this table represents a return transaction. The returns table is connected to the both orders table and the people table with mirror-to-one relationship. The connection to the orders table indicates which order was returned. The connection to the people tables likely indicates who initiated the return, such as customer or the employee. Talking about the calendar table. The calendar table likely contains the dates and the associated information such as day, month, and the year. The calendar table is connected to the order table with minute-to-one relationship as mentioned earlier. This allows orders to be associated with the specific dates. Now we are talking about the people tables. The people table likely contains information about the individuals such as customers or employees. The returns table is connected to the people table with a minute-to-one relationship. This connection indicates who initiated the returns transaction. Now let's we move to the dashboard. So welcome to the dashboard. Using Power BI, I have created three report pages to analyze data. The first one is dashboard, that is sales analysis. This analysis aims to answer the question of the sales trends of the product. The result of this can help us to understand and measure the effectiveness of a sales strategy and what modifications are needed to gain more sales. The second one is product analysis. This page conducts the analysis on the data to understand the different product lines, the product lines performing the best, and the product lines that needed to be improved. The third one is the customer analysis. This analysis aims to uncover the different customer segments, purchase trends, and the profitability of each customer segment. So let's we move to the first page, that is dashboard. This Power BI report page provides an in-depth analysis of the Amazon sales performance for the given year. It integrates with various visualizations and the key performance indicators to deliver comprehensive insights into different aspects of the business. Here I have created the three cards, which are the KPI: the total sales, total profit, and the total units sold. The first one is the total sales. This KPI tracks the overall revenue generated for the year. Next one is total profit. This metric indicates the financial health of our sales. And the third one is total units sold, which indicates the volume of the transaction we have handled. Next, we move to the sales and profit by the category. In this project, I have designed a bar graph titled with this sales and profit category. This visualization provides a detailed breakdown of the sales and profit figures across different product categories, that is technology, furniture, and office supplies. The bar graph effectively displays both sales and profit data for each category, allowing for a side-by-side comparison of their performance. Each bar in the graph represents a detailed figures for the sales and profit, providing a clear view of how each category contributes to the overall financial performance. Next, we move to the area chart, that is overall sales analysis over the year. So here I have implemented a dynamic visualization feature that allows stakeholders to seamlessly switch between the two different chart types, that is area chart and the stack column chart, using these two interactive buttons, that is labeled with overall and the sector. This functionality provides comprehensive and flexible overview of the sales data. Next, we move to the dashboard. This dashboard provides an in-depth analysis of the sales performance for the given year. It integrates with various visualizations and the key performance indicators to deliver comprehensive insights into different aspects of the business. Here I have created three report pages to analyze the data. The first one is dashboard, that is sales analysis. The first one is order table, second one is order table, third one is returns table, and the fourth one is calendar table. Talking about the overall button, when overall button is selected, the area chart is displayed and presenting an aggregate view of the total sales over the time. This visualization highlights the sales trends showing the overall performance and the growth trajectory across different time periods. An area chart presents the sales trends from January to December over the year, offering insights to the seasonal fluctuations and market behavior. Here, the key peaks are observed in the May and September, indicating high sale periods. The area chart is effective to identify the patterns and the long-term trends in the sales data. So, if we click on the sector button, it switches the view to a stack column chart, which breaks down sales data by sector on one by month basis. Sectors included in these charts are technology, office supplies, and the furniture. This detailed visualization allows stakeholders to analyze the sales performance of each sector individually, comparing their contributions to sales over the months. The stack column chart is ideal for understanding sector specific trends and identifying areas of the strength or the concern with each sector. This interactive feature enhances the report usability by providing a versatile analytics tools that caters to different stakeholders' preferences and requirements. The ability to toggle between the overall sales perspective and a sector-specific breakdown ensures that users can access the precise level of detail they need without navigating away from the main report page. Next, we move to the bar graph. So here I have developed a bar graph titled with top 10 subcategory by the sales. This visualization provides a rank list of top 10 subcategories by the sales, highlighting the leading products that drive over revenue. The bar graph represents a clear and concise view of the sales performance of the top 10 subcategories. The graph shows phones as the leading subcategory, followed by the chairs, bookcases, and other high performing subcategories. Each bar represents the sales figures of a specific subcategory, allowing for easy comparison and analysis of their relative contributions to overall sales. Next, I have designed a donut chart titled with sales by the sector. This visualization provides a clear breakdown of our sales contribution across different market sectors, offering a valuable insights into our market segmentation. The donut chart effectively illustrates the proportion of the sales attribute to each sector, making it easy to understand and relative contribution of each segment. The chart breaks down into three key categories, that is, in three main sectors: corporate sector, home office, and consumer. Each sector is distinctly represented, allowing a straightforward comparison of their sales figures. So, next is sales by the market. This chart visually represents the sales distribution across different market regions, providing a clear and immediate understanding of geographical conditions and contributions to the overall sales performance. This donut chart displays sales data segmented by market regions, highlighting the contributions from major regions such as Asia Pacific, Europe, United States and Canada, Latin America, and Africa. The chart effectively showcases the significant sales or contributions from the different regions, making it easy to compare the relative performance at a glance. The next is top 5 states by the sales and the profit. Here I have created a sophisticated line graph that displays the top 5 states by total sales and total profit. To enhance the analytical depth and user experiences, I have integrated a dynamic tooltip feature into this line graph. This tooltip includes one donut chart and a column chart, each providing detailed information about the sales and profit by the category. The combination of visual elements offers a comprehensive view of sales performance and profitability across the different states and categories. The line graph showcases the total sales and total profit of the top 5 states, allowing the stakeholders to compare and contrast the performance of these states over the time. This visualization helps in identifying the trends, peak periods, and the potential areas for the improvement. The graph clearly highlights the key data points, making it easy to track changes and analyze the performance trajectory of each state. By hovering over a specific data points on the line graph, user can access a detailed tooltip that provides additional context. This tooltip is designed to offer a in-depth look at the data, featuring one donut chart and the bar graph, that is sales by the category and the profit by the category. Talking about the sales by the category, the first tooltip breaks down into total sales by the category. This chart allows stakeholders to quickly access which product categories are contributing the most significantly to overall sales at any given point in the time. And the profit by the category, this donut chart represents a breakdown of total profit by the category. This visualization helps the stakeholders to understand the profitability distribution across different product categories, highlighting the most and the least profitable segments. The integration of this detailed line graph and the interactive tooltip shows the advanced analytical capabilities of the Power BI, providing a rich, multidimensional view of financial data. So here, this is the search bar at the top, allows the users to quickly search for a specific products or the categories, enhancing the user experience by providing easy access to the relevant data. Next to is the year slicer. Enables users to filter the report data by different years, adding another layer of interactivity and customization. The year slicer enables users to filter the data display on the report by selecting the specific year. Next, this is filter button, or you can call it as a slicer panel. The filter button located on the top right provides access to the multiple slicers that allows users to filter the data on this page by various dimensions, such as time period, customer segments, locations, market, and product categories. This interactivity enables users to drill down into specific data subsets for more detailed analysis. This page also contains the close button and the clear button, which is used to clear all the filters that we have given while using the dashboard. The next is support button. This support button opens a new page where users can ask any question regarding the data. This feature is designed to assist the users in understanding the report, providing additional context, or addressing any queries that they might have about the data represented. So, this report page effectively combines multiple data visualizations, KPIs, and interactive features to provide a holistic view of the sales performance. The use of the bar graphs, line graphs with tooltips, donut charts, and other visual elements enables stakeholders to quickly grasp the key metrics, identify the trends, and make the informed decisions based on the comprehensive data presented. The inclusion of the filter and support buttons, along with the search bar and the ear slicer, enhances the user experiences by offering flexibility and assistance as needed. This report serves as a powerful tool for analyzing the sales data, understanding the market dynamics, and optimizing the business strategies. Next, we move to our second page, that is product analysis. This Power BI report page provides an overview of the product analysis, focusing on various key metrics and dimensions for the selected year, month, and the category. This Power BI report page utilizes the three key performance indicators displayed at the top of the dashboard, providing a clear summary of a crucial business metrics. Each KPI card includes reference labels with a month-over-month sales growth percent and the previous month sales. This comparison gives the stakeholders a deeper understanding of the performance trends and highlighting the areas of concerns or improvement. Here is a detailed professional analysis of each KPI and its associated month-over-month comparison. The first one is the monthly sales. This card shows the monthly sales amount and also indicates the previous month sales and the month-over-month sales growth percentage. The second one is the monthly profit. This card highlights the monthly profit along with the previous month's profit and the month-over-month profit growth percentage. And the third one is monthly units sold, which also gives the previous month units sold and month-over-month units sold growth percentage. Here, the red color with downward arrow in the reference labels indicates that there is a decrease in the sales or the profit or the units sold in the current month as compared to the previous month. And the green color with the upward arrow indicates that there is an increase in the sales or the profit as compared to the previous month. Here I have developed a waterfall chart titled by Profit by the Market. This visualization provides a detailed breakdown of profit across the different market regions, offering a comprehensive view of our financial performance by geographical area. The waterfall chart effectively illustrates the profit contributions over the various market regions, highlighting the positive and negative impacts on our overall profit. This chart includes detailed figures for key regions, that is Europe, United States and Canada, Asia Pacific, Latin America, and Africa. This waterfall chart visually represents the profit contribution from the different market regions. Here I have designed the bar graph title with top 5 product by the sales. This visualization provides a clear ranking of our highest selling products, offering a valuable insights into our top performing items. This bar graph lists the top 5 products by the sales, allowing the stakeholders to quickly identify our best selling items. The graph highlights the following top selling products. One is the Harbor Creation Executive Desk, which is the highest selling product. The next one is the Guest Tech Chair, the second top selling item. The third one is the IKEA Library with the doors, which is the third best seller. And the fourth one is the Horn Rocking Chair, and fourth one is the Sapco Planmaster Boards, which is the fifth top selling product. The next one is the orders by the sector. This is the donut chart. This visualization provides a breakdown of the number of orders across different market sectors, offering a clear view of the order distribution. The donut chart effectively displays the number of orders segmented by sector, making it easy to understand the distribution at a glance. So here the chart highlights the following sectors: home office, corporate and consumer. Each sector is represented proportionally, allowing a straightforward comparison of orders volumes between the sectors. Breaking down the orders into the home office, corporate and consumer sectors, this chart offers a detailed view of market dynamics. Stakeholders can understand which sectors are generating the most orders and identifying the trends in the customer demand. This bar graph shows the top 5 customers by the sales and the profit. So the top customer who orders the most of the products from the Amazon is Patrick O'Brien. Next is Beth. The third one is Penelope and the Ruben. And the last one is Liz Species. These are the top 5 customers. Next we move to the sales and profit by the subcategory. So here I have implemented dynamic visualization feature that allows the stakeholders to seamlessly switch between the two different charts. It is line graph and the stack column chart using the interactive buttons labeled as subcategory and the region. So talking about this sales and profit by the category, this line graph illustrates the sales and profit trends by the subcategory, covering the furnishings, tables, bookcases, and the chairs. This visualization helps in understanding the performance of different subcategories over the time. So when you click on the region button, it switches the view to the stack column chart, which breaks down sales data region-wise on a monthly basis. This detailed visualization allows stakeholders to analyze the sales performance of each region individually, comparing their contributions to total sales over the months. This stack column chart is ideal for understanding the specific trends and identifying the areas of the strengths or the concern with each region. So here in the top, we have the category slicer. So this slicer allows users to filter the data by category, that is furniture, office supplies, and the technology. This helps in focusing the analysis on specific product categories. Next to the category slicer is the month slicer enables the users to filter the data by specific months, providing a granular view of monthly performance. And above, this is the year slicers, allows the users to filter the data by the year, facilitating the broader time-based analysis. And to the left, this is the search bar, as mentioned earlier. Now we move to the next report page, that is customer analysis. This report page provides overview of the customer analysis. It integrates various visualizations and key performance indicators to deliver insights into different dimensions of the business. So talking about the KPIs and the cards, this is the first card is total sales. This card shows the total sales amount. This another card highlights the total profit, and this KPI card indicates the total units sold, and the orders card shows the total number of orders. So to the left of the all KPIs, we have a slicer panel labeled as customer name. So here, choosing any particular customer from any region, you can get all the transaction history of that particular customer. And to filter out the customer region wise or the country wise, you can use the filter button to the right hand side of the corner. We move to the donut chart, which is sales by the sector. This donut chart breaks down sales by the sector, showing that the technology leads with 8 lakh dollars, followed by the furniture, which is around 7 lakh dollars, and the office supply, which is around 6 lakh dollars. Next, we move to the map, which is sales by the city. The map visualization plots the sales data geographically, highlighting the key cities worldwide where significant sales activities have occurred. This visualization helps to identify the regional performance and the trend and the market penetration. You can switch the page between the map and the transaction using these two buttons, that is map and the transaction button. So in the transaction page, you can get the information and all the details of the transactions done by the particular customer. Next, we move to the bar graph labeled as units sold by the ship mode. This bar graph displays the distribution of the units sold across the different shipping modes. Here, the standard class leads with 19,000 units sold, followed by the second class, first class, and on the same day. Next, we move to the horizontal bar graph, which is labeled as the revenue by the country. This horizontal bar graph shows revenue distribution by the country. The United States tops the list, followed by the China, Australia, France, and others. This illustrates the market performance across the different countries. Next is revenue by the customer. This line graph tracks the revenue over time by the customer, providing a trend analysis of the customer spending throughout the year. Notable peaks observed in May and September, indicating the high sales activity. This report page effectively combines multiple data visualizations, KPIs, and interactive features to provide a holistic view of the sales performance. It enables the stakeholders to quickly grasp key metrics, identify the trends, and make informed decisions based on the data presented. So, this is all about the Power BI report. So, let's we talk about the insights of the data. So, based on the provided data spanning from 2012 to 2015, here are the insights. Talking about the technology dominance, across all the years, the technology category consistently emerged as a market leader, surpassing office supplies and the furniture in the sales. Its dominance was particularly notable in 2014 and 15, where technology sales significantly outpaced other categories. When we're talking about the revenue growth, over the 4-year period, there was a consistent trend of increasing sales, indicating a overall market growth and potentially effective marketing strategies or the product innovations driving consumer demands. Next, we talk about the profit challenges. Despite impressive sales figures, the technology sector consistently faced the challenges in converting the sales into the profit, as evidenced by the substantial gaps between the total sales and the total profit. This suggests the higher operational costs, possibly due to the investment in the technological advancements, market expansion efforts, or the competitive pricing strategies. Next is seasonal trends. Each year exhibited seasonal fluctuations, with certain months experiencing peaks and troughs. For instance, sales tended to rise during holiday seasons or promotional events like Black Friday, while experiencing drops during the off peak periods or the market corrections. Talking about the market resilience, despite fluctuations, there were instances of market resilience, as seen in the ability of sales to rebound after temporary declines, indicating the adaptability and the effective management strategies to navigate the challenges. And the last is this effective sales strategies. Towards the end of each year, there was a notable upstick in the sales, possibly driven by year-end promotions, holiday seasonal effects, or the strategy sales pushes. This suggests the effectiveness of targeted sales strategies in capitalizing on consumer behavior and maximizing the revenue opportunities. Overall, the data underscores the importance of the continuous market analysis, strategic planning, and adaptability to maintain the competitiveness and profitability in a dynamic business environment. Next, we move on to the recommendation. So talking about the recommendations, Amazon sales data analysis spanning from 2012 to 2015 reveals the consistent growth, particularly in the technology sector category, alongside notable fluctuations and challenges in the profit conversion. The recommendation aim to optimize the sales strategies, enhance the profit margins, and the address the involving market landscapes. So the recommendations as talking about the diversification and the market expansions, Amazon should explore the diversification opportunities beyond the technology category to mitigate over-reliance on a single sector. Invest in the market expansion, initiates targeting emerging markets or other segments to broaden the customer base and revenue streams. Next is seasonal marketing and promotions. So Amazon should capitalize on seasonal peaks such as holiday seasons, Black Friday and year-end sales by implementing target marketing campaigns and promotional offers to drive the sales volume, and leverage the data-driven insights to anticipate and respond effectively to sales to seasonal fluctuations in consumer demand. So, in the cost management, Amazon should implement the cost optimization measures across the supply chain, including procurement, logistics, and fulfillment, to improve the profit margins and the streamline operations. And also leverage the advanced analytics and automation technologies to enhance the operational efficiency and reduce the overhead costs. Talking about the customer engagement, Amazon should prioritize the customer-centric initiatives focused on the enhancing the shopping experiences, personalized recommendation, and after-sales support to foster brand loyalty and drive repeat purchases. And also leverage the customer feedback and data analytics to identify the areas of improvement and tailor offerings to meet evolving consumer preferences. So talking about the inventory management and forecasting, Amazon should implement a robust inventory management system supported by data analytics and demand forecasting models to optimize the stock levels, minimize the stock bug or stockouts, and reduce the holding costs. And also foster the collaboration between the sales, marketing, and supply chain teams to align inventory strategies with sales projections and market demand. And the last recommendation is about the international expansion and the localization. Amazon should explore the opportunities for the international expansions in the high growth markets while prioritizing the localizations efforts to adapt the offerings, local preferences, and regular requirements. Amazon should explore opportunities for international expansions in high growth markets while prioritizing the localizations efforts to adapt the offerings to local preferences and regulatory requirements. They should invest in the market research and strategic partnerships to navigate the cultural and regulatory complexities and competitive landscapes in target regions. So the conclusion is that by strategically aligning sales and profit optimization strategies with market dynamics and the consumer preferences, Amazon can sustain growth, enhance profitability, and maintain its position as a market leader in the e-commerce industry. Continuous innovation, operational excellence, and a customer centricity will be key drivers of success in a increasingly competitive and a dynamic market environment. So thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment.